Oftentimes when someone's accused of a sex crime, it's very difficult to unring the bell. People presume that they've done something wrong, and that's a very difficult presumption to overcome, and we work hard to do that. It's so important to defend yourself from a sex crime conviction. Oftentimes these sex crimes, you have to register as a sex offender, and that will affect the rest of your life. Where you live, the type of jobs you get, it is very difficult, if not virtually impossible, to have that obligation be taken away. So once you register as a sex offender, within a few days of your birthday, you have to report to the local police or sheriff and let them know where you're living. If you move your residence, within a few days, you have to go to the local police or sheriff and tell them that you're a sex offender and where you're living. They have to know where you're living at all times. If you don't do that in California, it is a new offense, and there's a minimum sentence of 90 days in custody, and heaven forbid you have a prior strike, because then you'll go back to prison. That in and of itself is the major reason why someone has to have a good defense attorney. When someone's accused of a sex crime, we oftentimes work as a team with a psychologist and other experts who deal with sex crimes. One of the issues that always comes up is the motivation for the alleged victim to accuse a client of a sex crime, and we have to get to the bottom of that motivation. If we can do that, oftentimes we can show why that person is not telling the truth. I've handled sex crimes in San Diego for over 35 years. I've handled hundreds of cases. I think what makes me different than other attorneys in handling sex crimes cases, besides my experience, is my belief in my client and my belief that we can work hard together to obtain the right result. One of the things I've learned about in 35 years is not to judge my clients, understand that they are oftentimes wrongfully accused, and that we can work hard to help them.